Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel that's all about exploring the latest and greatest tech gadgets. Today, we're diving into the world of high-speed networking with the TP-Link AV2000 Powerline Adapter. If you're tired of Wi-Fi dead zones and want blazing fast internet anywhere in your home, you're in for a treat. Let's get started. Feast your eyes on the TP-Link AV2000 Powerline Adapter. It's here to solve your Wi-Fi woes by providing up to 2000 megabits per second Ethernet over power. Say goodbye to those pesky Wi-Fi dead zones. This is your Ethernet extender that can easily go through walls. Setting up this Powerline adapter is a breeze. It supports Home Plug AV2, making it easy to add multiple adapters to extend your network. Plus, it works under 110 to 240 volts, making it versatile and compatible worldwide. No more struggling with complex configurations. Want full-speed internet without compromises? The TP-Link AV2000 comes with a Gigabit port that delivers Ethernet speeds of 10/101,000ths of a megabit per second. You can enjoy fast and stable internet even up to 300 meters within your home. Worried about energy consumption? This adapter has your back. It features a power-saving mode that can automatically reduce power consumption by up to 85% when not in use. Save energy and money while staying connected. Say goodbye to complex installations. It's a plug-and-play device, and it's compatible with a wide range of TP-Link Powerline adapters. Plus, your network is secure with 128-bit AES data encryption, ensuring your data stays safe and private. Before you jump in, remember that Powerline adapters must be deployed in sets of 2 or more. They must be on the same electrical circuit for connectivity and require a direct outlet plug-in. Keep in mind that devices on the same circuit may affect performance. In summary, the TP-Link AV2000 Powerline Adapter is your ticket to high-speed internet anywhere in your home. It's like magic, transforming your electrical outlets into Ethernet ports for a reliable wired connection. No more Wi-Fi frustrations. Gamers and streamers, this one's for you. With Home Plug AV2 and 2x2 MIMO, it delivers up to 2000 megabits per second, ensuring smooth 4K streaming and gaming. No more buffering, just pure, uninterrupted entertainment. Setting up security is a breeze with the one-touch pairing feature. Plus, there's an intelligent signal LED indicator that helps you gauge signal strength without any hassle. Not only does it boost your internet, but it's also energy efficient with power-saving capabilities. And remember, TP-Link is the world's #1 consumer Wi-Fi brand, known for its quality and reliability. That's a wrap for today's review of the TP-Link AV2000 Powerline Adapter on Product Critique. If you found this video informative, smash that like button and subscribe for more in-depth tech reviews. Got questions or experiences to share? Drop them in the comments below. Until next time, stay connected and keep enjoying that high-speed internet.